These magic words are capable of stopping billions of people in their tracks to check the latest news or gossip. It happens every single day. For decades, people can't help but check the news, they follow it religiously. And it's not something new. Even in ancient Rome, people lined up in the market to hear the news. Today it's a $43 billion industry, and it grows bigger every single day. Companies like CNN, Bloomberg, Fox News, and more are dominating it, and have a monopoly on who can enter it. Until now. You see, we created something that will forever change the news and publishing industry. We created the brand new next-gen AI app that generates hundreds of self-updating broadcasting news sites in any niche, in any language in next 60 seconds with just a click. Yes, you read that right, we create not one, not two, but hundreds of broadcasting news sites with a click. And we can do it in any niche: sports news, celebrity news, stock market, politics, anything really. We just enter a keyword, and that's it. We don't need to write a word ourselves, and we don't need to buy, install, or configure anything. All of that is done for us with the power of AI. But you know what's the coolest thing? These websites update themselves. Yes, you don't need to keep maintaining them or posting on them. No, none of that. They use the power of AI once again to keep them updated with the latest and most exciting news in your niche every single day, self-monetizing. So you will be getting results without selling anything. That's the power of AI, my friend. And NewsCaster AI does all of that for you and more. Hey, my name is Prunchu, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you NewsCaster AI. The world's first AI app that turns any keyword into hundreds of self-updating broadcasting news websites. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with NewsCaster AI. Step 1, select. Pick the niche you like from our easy-to-use dashboard. Step 2, AI deploy. Let AI do all the work for you and give you a self-updating broadcasting news site in any niche you want. Step 3, monetize. Even that is done for us with AI. Without selling anything, we make money like this from each website.